Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about the pros and cons of a casement window system. The cool things I like about casement windows, let's talk about the pros, is that they lock up very secure. They look beautiful from the outside because they don't have a screen. So kind of, you have the glass surface of an XO window, then you have the side that has the screen, and it doesn't have quite the same pop as the glass side. So I love the casement window for that. The other thing is going to be security. When these things lock up, they are fortresses. I mean, they're just wonderful windows. I think they just look absolutely beautiful because if you want, you can open up the entirety of your window up to about 36 inches. And when you crank these things out, they just look absolutely gorgeous. And living by the coast, you really want that free, nice, cool air. You open up a window and it just grabs that and brings it right in. It's just a wonderful system. The sound also is wonderful because when that closes, you have a little bit thicker vinyl frame, and that's going to be the strength of the window, whereas glass, the sound will transfer easier through glass than it will through vinyl. So a little bit thicker frame profile, and it just makes it even more quieter of a window system. Now let's talk about the cons. If you live by the ocean, and a lot of my customers do, if you live within about a mile, maybe a little less, the salt air can corrode the components, the gears, the little track system, the little control arm that holds. I have seen customers who will leave their windows open pretty much forever. You'll go and take a look at it in 10 years and realize they got corrosion in it. Now it's not operating quite as well. That's just kind of a trade-off. There's nothing that's offered by a manufacturer that I know of that can withstand salt air. So that would be one of the cons, I would say, is if you live close to the ocean. If you don't live close to the ocean, this does not apply to you. The other thing would be if you're ground level and you have your window open, it's easier to grab that window if somebody's trying to get into your house and really force and try to force that window open. They grab it like a door and just start really yanking on it, and they can break the components. I don't care if it's a vinyl window or if it's wood, whatever the case is. It's a reality. Those are probably the only two things that I can think of as a con, or something to think about if you're in the market of buying windows and you're thinking about casement windows. Other than that, they're a wonderful window system, probably my favorite. Again, for looks, security, when they're closed and locked, they're a fortress. The performance against air and sound, they're just wonderful window systems. If you have any questions, always feel free to reach out. Go to the comment section, or you can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Hey guys, if you live in the Central Coast of California and are interested in a free estimate for windows and doors, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and request a quote there. Thank you so much. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to stay up to date on future videos coming, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Tons of information about windows come out every week.